In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where Steam won't let you log in with your correct email and password. This common problem can be frustrating, especially when you're sure your credentials are correct. Let's quickly guide you through this with some easy steps. First up, open your browser and navigate to Google. Here, type Steam into the search bar and press enter. This search should pull up the official Steam website as the first result. Go ahead and click on this first link. By clicking on this link, you're headed straight toward the main Steam page where you'll be able to sign in to your account. Once the Steam page loads, you should find yourself on the home page with many options available. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you will see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on this button. It will take you to where you can attempt to log in with your account details. Now here's where we address the crux of the problem. You might be tempted to use your email address to sign in just as you would with many other services, but that's the common mistake that often leads to login failures on Steam. What you actually need to enter is your Steam account name. This is the key solution to resolving the login issue you have been experiencing. After you've entered your account name, move down to the next field and type in your password. Make sure that your password is correct, checking for any mistyped characters or extra spaces. Once both your account name and password are entered, proceed by clicking the Sign In button. An important point to remember here is that Steam does not require you to log in using your email address. Instead, your Steam account name is your access key. This is a crucial distinction that can lead to successfully logging in without much hassle. This simple solution should have you logged into your Steam account in no time, allowing you to get back to enjoying your favorite games and interacting with the community. If you're still having trouble, double check that you have the correct account name and password, and ensure that your keyboard is set to the right language or region settings. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to fix login issues on Steam when using your correct credentials. I hope this guide has been helpful and has resolved your login problems effectively. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.